See where they're going to be?
This is Doug Foote reporting for duty. Mason and Sarah's wedding, October 28th, 2023. Mason, off in the distance. Can't see him, but he's getting ready for the first look. And here we go.
What are you feeling right now? Just excitement. Just thinking about her smile.
$11,246 days ago today, on a rainy 12th day in January 1993, Sarah Diana Best was born. And it was that day that I held that sweet little baby girl, and I actually dreamt about this day. She came into this world with the brightest of blue eyes that shined that same twinkle that we all saw today, walking down that beautiful aisle to the altar. She had a beautiful head of hair as a little freshy baby, and that I'm convinced that that was only there to hold the 125 or so bows that we had to put in her hair for the next 10 plus years. And today, she wears a wedding veil.
Look at you.
Cute.
Oh, wow. We're here. Look at it. Look at the leaves.
Look how perfect.
So great. No rain?
No rain.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Let's do the dang thing. One of the last texts that my dad said was, there's no better feeling in your life when you look back and feel prepared. And there's this old saying that hay is in the barn. And just thinking about today, it's hay is in the barn, we're prepared. Everything is set in place and nothing to worry about.
Is that my girl? Is that my girl? Stunning. Wow, wow, wow. Look at you. I love you with all my heart. What a day. I think Maddie Watkins said it best. This is the Super Bowl.
It's the Super Bowl.
Well, I've never done this before, so I don't even know what to say. Other than just, I think you and I have said everything that we need to say.
Yeah. So excited.
Just love everything about you.
Love you too.
All your spirit, everything. So, hi, ladies. You look absolutely stunning. So pretty.
I'm gonna go down there and set them up.
I don't know, maybe I should be teary-eyed, but I'm not. I'm excited for her. I dreamt about one day being the FOB. And that's the father of the bride. And I dreamed about walking my baby, now a beautiful, beautiful grown-up lady, down the aisle at this magnificent setting, and I had no idea where it would be. When I really reflect back on my dreams for our daughter, they were really less about where she would be married, but whom she would marry. And I have to tell you, We are so far beyond delighted that she found and fell in love with Mason Foote. With all that said, I would like to ask you all to raise your glasses and toast this wonderful couple. Congratulations to you as you go forward in life as Mr. and Mrs. Foote. We love you, Sara and Mason. Cheers, cheers, cheers.